Hi everyone, Michelle here. I wanted to take a minute today to tell you about the most beautiful holiday that I have just booked that I wanted to share with you. It's called Essential Vietnam and Cambodia, and it blends luxury, culture, history, and heart into one unforgettable journey. The holiday begins in Siem Reap in Cambodia. And this is an incredible place where you can absorb some fantastic culture. The accommodation is to die for. Just take a look at these villas that you will stay in for the first 3 nights of the holiday. And whilst you are there, you can get to experience traditional Khmer dance alongside a beautiful dinner, and lots of personalised experiences to allow you to get out and see the area, including exploring the jungle, exploring the local city, markets, etc. And to be honest with you, one of the great things about this trip is there are just so many incredible moments woven into it. So, for example, when you're in Vietnam, one of the highlights is a chance to visit the local market with a Vietnamese chef, do your own shopping, and then cook an authentic dinner together. I mean, how's that for making memories? And this is all before you actually get onto your river cruise. So it's a Mekong River Cruise, and it's a 7 night cruise aboard the Apsara. It's a luxury ship which will take you along the Mekong River with a twin balcony suite, floating by the local markets, little riverside villages. You can get to see silk weaving communities and even take part in a Buddhist blessing if you wish. The cruise itself includes all your meals and drinks and so many different experiences. Another thing that you can do that I saw, which really, really appealed to me, you can get to visit a local art charity that supports underprivileged children, and you can spend time having a look at the work that they do there to help raise money to put the kids in education. You will, when you are in Vietnam, you will visit, of course, Ho Chi Minh City. With its war history, including the Cu Chi tunnels that were dug during the Vietnam War. After that, you will also get to spend some time staying in Saigon, a couple of nights at the end to explore the city for its history, walking tours, food, the shopping. This really is an absolutely incredible experience. It's luxury, authenticity, great sights and experiences. What a way to experience Southeast Asia. So, if this sounds like something that you would like to do, give me a call and I can help you craft something exactly like this or along the lines of this that absolutely ticks the boxes for you on your bucket list.